Hello dear students, this is your first German book and first German class. So we will learn German language through step by step, and for that purpose we are going to start from the very basic, from the letters. Okay, just read with me. Lektion Nummer 1. Eins means one. Lektion means lesson. Nummer means no number. One. Eins, one. Lektion Nummer 1. Lesson number 1. Okay? So don't be confused. It is just for your warm up. Okay? So it is simply lesson number 1. In lesson number 1, we are going to learn das Alphabet means the alphabet. Okay, here is a line of German language. So I will speak in German. So don't be confused. Just don't be confused. This is just for your rehearsal and your warm up. So don't take it too serious. Okay. Das Alphabet der deutschen Sprache. It means the alphabet of the German language. Okay, as I told you that don't take these lines too serious. Okay, just take it serious. The alphabet of the German language. So you should read with me, okay, so that you could understand clearly. So Deutsch language has 30 alphabet, 26 are regular and 4 are irregular. All the regular German language alphabet are the same as the English alphabet. So this point is very worthy to be noted, that German has the same alphabet in written shape as English has. Okay, let's practice and learn German alphabet. Now regular alphabet. Okay, we will start from regular alphabet from the very top, from A. But look at carefully this slide. Okay, you see that this is English and this is Deutsch, but the pronunciation is different here. Okay, we don't write A in German like this. We write the same A as we write in German, in English. But be careful. These lines and these boxes are the pronunciation boxes. These are the German writing boxes, and these are the English writing boxes. Okay, so now start. A, we write the same as in English, but we pronounce it A. B, writing shape is the same, but we pronounce it B. C, writing the same, but pronunciation is different. Tse. Tse. D, writing is the same, but we say day. Pronunciation day. So it is not D, it is day. E, A, we write the same as we write in English, but we pronounce it A. So A, B, B, C, Tse, D, De, E, A. Okay, like this. This is the pronunciation box. Next slide. F, F, F. The pronunciation and writing both are the same as in English. G, G, like this. we pronounce it, okay? G-A-Y, gay. This is not G, this is gay. H, ha, ha, ha. I, E, like this, like in English, E, we say E, but in German, this is E, E. J, yet, yet. So, F, F, G, gay, H, ha, I, E, J, yet. K, ka, like this. L, L, the same, it is the same like in English. M, M, the same like in English. N, N, the same like in English. O, O, okay, the same in English like in English. So K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O. Okay, only K is different. K, K. All the remaining are the same, like in English. In writing, both in writing and in pronunciation. So, P in English, pay in German, pay, pay. Q in English, Kuh in Deutsch or in German, Kuh. R, be careful with this letter, but the special thing that should be noted, this letter we use in a sentence when we use this in a word. So it is pronounced like ghain in Arabic. Ghain, like GH in Urdu, Hindi, and other languages. So ghain, GH, like we say red in English, but in German we say rot, rot, R-O-D, rot. So this letter was very special in German language. Okay, keep remember this. This gives the voice r, r. Okay, so S, the same as in English, S, T, T, T in English, T in German. So P, P, Q, Q, R, or you can say R, S, S, T, T. U in English, U in Deutsch or in German. U, like this. V in English, V in German, V, like this, F-A-U, V, this is V. W, V, V, like this. X in English, X in German, X, I-K-S, X. Y, Upsilon, Y in English, and in German it is Upsilon, Upsilon, but the writing method are the same. Okay, Z, test. No, set, set, set. Z in English, set in German. So once again, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, 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 Y, Y, Z, Z. So these are the regular alphabets. Now come to the irregular alphabets. Umlaute. Basically, it is called Umlaute in German. So just for your easiness, I gave the name irregular letters to these letters. Actually, it is they are called Umlaute. Okay, this is the collective noun. So let's learn. Let's read. Read with me. In German, the collective name for the letters with two dots. Okay, these irregular words have dots on them. Okay, like this A has two dots on its top, O has two dots on its top, and U has two dots on top. Okay, these are called umlaute. Umlaute. Singular we say umlaut. So this is umlaut, but the collective name for all of three is called umlaute. Okay. The term umlaut literally means round sound. Okay, it means they give round sounds. We will learn their sounds in next slide. Okay, just keep in your mind they give round sound. Umlaut means round sound in German, and it refers to the change in pronunciation that these letters undergo when they are used in words. When we use these letters in words, it goes like this: you, okay? They give round sound, okay? So how they should be pronounced? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, now umlaute are irregular letters. Let's learn them. This is like A, but it has two dots. It is E. 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 Word used in bear. Bear means bear, okay? EU. EU. This is not O. This is EU. EU. Word used in Öl. Öl means oil. In German, when we say Öl, so it means oil. And EU, EU, EU. This means this word is used in fünf. Fünf. Fünf means five. And this is the another one. This is double S, okay? SS. Like it is used instead of double S in German. Like Fuß means foot, okay? It means that FUSS. It means foot. So keep in your mind that this letter means double S in German, okay? These are the alphabets of German language. You should watch this video again and again, and then write out all the words and pronounce them with yourself. So they will definitely help you in the coming lessons. Okay, so das Ende, the end. Das Ende means the end. Danke means thank you. So this is the end of this lesson. So das Ende, das Ende. Danke means thank you. So I'm very thankful to you that you have watched this lesson, and you hope you will be committed to learn German language step by step. Okay, but be careful, don't be stressed, just cool. Okay, be cool, very cool. So see you in next lesson. Thank you so much. Danke.